Hi, this is Abdul Ansari presenting our final year project APIfy, a no-code API management platform. The team behind this project involves me, Abdul Ansari, Saad Khan, Burhanuddin Makra, Ukasha Khalid, and Syed Hasan Ali. Our project is a software as a service solution for people who might not know how to code but want to set up their own API endpoints. APIfy gets rid of all the coding and replaces it with an intuitive, easy to learn interface. Let's go through it, shall we? So this is the page a new user might come to when they visit a website. They log in and create the project and are met with a dashboard that looks like this. On this side, we have all the different tools available. The first one we'll look at is the database manager. Here a user may view all the schemas they have defined in the project or add some more. Not only that, they may navigate to a schema to view the data it contains and add more definition to the schema. Now that we have our data, let's start building our APIs. A user may use our interface to create an endpoint that perhaps searches for a book by name in their books collection, or find it through an author using a different but connected collection, or even search for books with pages greater than 500. Okay, that's easy. What about user creation, you might ask? Well, we have just the solution for you. Here we have a request that creates a user. Oh, wait a minute, the password should be hashed. There, fixed it. But what if a user already exists? Well, what if I just, there we go. Now, if a user already exists, the user is not created and a different response is sent. Easy, right? Okay, but how do I test this? Well, we provide a testing interface where you may select your newly created endpoint, enter the request details, and hit send. Wow, my user was just created. If I go see in the database dashboard, yep, there is my newly created user. Okay, let's try creating it again. Here we go. Now, let's send it and oh, there we go. It says the user already exists. You see, the limits are endless with the tools we provide. Okay, but it might be tough going back and forth through all my endpoints to see how they work, you might ask. Well, we have a documentation dashboard just for this, where you may see all your requests in one easy format and see what route you need to request to use your endpoints. This was Abdul Ansari presenting you APIfy.